Hello, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Tanya, and today we are preparing peppers for the winter. Let's go. Here I have 5 kilos of washed peppers, and I'm going to line them up in a pan from the oven. I will roast the peppers in the oven. Turn on the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, and when it is well heated, place the pan closer to the upper heaters. I put the peppers in a heated oven, and how long they will bake depends on the peppers and the oven. Do not let the peppers burn. I will tell you how long I baked. After 25 minutes of baking, this is what the paprika should look like. I turn the peppers to the other side. I will put them back in the oven to cook on the other side. On the other hand, bake for a shorter period of time. The peppers were also roasted on the other side. I baked for another 10 minutes. Now I'm going to put them in the pan. I put the peppers in a pan, cover them to cool. It will peel more easily. I will line up the rest of the pepper and roast all the quantity I prepared in the same way. The peppers have cooled, and now I will peel them. I have a bowl of water prepared here so I can peel and de-steep it more easily. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Clean the seeds and thus identify each pepper. Here it is, and put it in a bowl. And so we go to the next pepper. I will chop the pepper cleaned in this way. Take a colander and process the pepper like this. Tear it into strips. I will now leave the peppers chopped like this to separate from the excess water. During that time, I will chop 1 head of garlic and parsley. I have 10 cloves of garlic here. I chopped the garlic. Now I'm going to chop the parsley. I put the garlic and parsley in a bowl and wait for the peppers to drain from the water. The peppers are drained, and now I'm going to fry them. I will pour 100 milliliters of vegetable oil into a pan to heat it up. I put the pepper on the heated pan. I slowly stir in the pepper and fry it for 40 minutes. Stir occasionally and make sure it doesn't burn. After 20 minutes of frying, this is what the pepper looks like, and now we will add salt. Add salt to taste. I'll add a full teaspoon. I will stir and continue to fry, and then I will try to see if I need more salt. Do not leave out the salt. I continue to fry the pepper for another 20 minutes. Another 20 minutes of frying was also completed, 40 in total. Now we add chopped garlic. I add parsley and 2 tablespoons of vinegar 9%. I will mix all this and continue to fry for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of frying, the pepper is ready. You can see how dry and fantastically fried it is. Don't leave out the vinegar. Botulism does not develop in an acidic environment. I prepared jars that I sterilized in the oven at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. I will fill them now. When you have filled the jars, press out the air with a spoon. I filled the jar and now we are filling another jar. I will close the jars filled like this with new and clean lids. Cover the jars filled in this way with a blanket and let them cool down gradually. When they cool down, take them to a dark and cool place to wait out the winter. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends. I will show you how to preserve fresh peppers for the winter. I'll wash them first. I will cut the peppers and remove the seeds. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I cut the pepper and now I will prepare the marinade. I pour 1 liter of water into the pot. I add 4 spoons of sugar, 2½ spoons of salt, 5 spoons of vinegar 9%, a few grains of pepper, 200 milliliters of vegetable oil. I put the pan on the stove. I will stir and wait for the marinade to boil. While I wait for the marinade to boil, I will chop 6 cloves of garlic. The marinade has boiled and I put the pepper in the boiled marinade.
The marinade cooled down because we added the paprika. I'll wait for it to boil again. I cook the pepper for 2 to 3 minutes. I want the peppers to soften so I can stack them in the jar more easily. After a few minutes of cooking, I remove the paprika into a bowl. I put garlic between the layers of peppers. We'll need the marinade later, and now I'm going to chop the parsley. Now I need clean and washed jars. I thin the paprika in jars. I will add parsley. I will continue to arrange the peppers. Do not fill the jars to the top. I will fill the jars with marinade. Pour the marinade to cover the peppers. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with clean lids. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth at the bottom of the pan. I arrange the jars in the pot. I pour hot water up to the height of the lid. I put the pot on the stove and pasteurize it for 30 minutes from the moment the water boils. Pasteurization is a process at 80 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes of pasteurization, I will remove the jars from the pot. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. Leave the jars to cool gradually. After that, store them in a dark and cool place. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart and a like in the comment. Thanks, friends.